हाय, मैं सीएमए किंजल जोशी और आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द अपकमिंग बजट दैट इज ऑन February 1, 2024. Upcoming budget by Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman will be presented on February 1, 2024. Will be just an interim budget or you can say vote on account request. अब ये वोट ऑन अकाउंट रिक्वेस्ट या तो इंटरिम बजट क्या होता है ये भी हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, बट लेट्स सी व्हाई विल नॉट बी हैविंग द फुल बजट ऑन February 1, 2024 दिस टाइम. सो जैसे कि हमें पता है इन 2024 जनरल इलेक्शंस आर देयर बिटवीन मार्च टू May 2024. So the outgoing government or you can say current ruling government will present only interim budget or vote on account, leaving the full budget for the new government. So we can expect full budget somewhere between June 2024 and July 2024. Now let us see what is the difference between interim budget or vote on account and the full budget. According to Constitution, government cannot withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India without any legal approval. An appropriation bill is normally passed during the budget process. However, this may take time. But the government will require funds to spend on expenditure from April 1 when the new financial year begins. So, vote on account is a special provision given to the government to seek a vote from parliament to withdraw money if the budget is not released or the elections are underway and the caretaker government is in place. So in simple terms, if you notice, it's a special provision or a power to the current ruling government to release the interim budget for the expenditures till the time the elections are held. So now you all see that vote on account is the expenditure side of government's budget which they represent for 3 to 4 months until the elections are held and the new government is formed. So basically it will only and only talk about the expenditure, not the revenue or changes in taxes or any big ticket or policy announcement. Vote on account is basically only valid for 2 months. However, it can be extended to the next couple of months if the year is the election year and it is anticipated that the appropriation bill which we talked about earlier will take longer to be passed by the parliament. Now the important features of this vote on account is that it cannot alter the direct taxes since this needs to be passed by the financial bill. So in conclusion, interim budget or vote on account will only talk about expenditure side of the government's budget. Now let us see what is full budget. So full budget or normal budget is a detailed financial statement covering both expenses and income of the government's budget, including any changes in taxes or policies, which we normally call it as a big ticket announcement. After getting clarity on what is interim budget or vote on account and what is full budget, let us now discuss what we can expect from this Feb 2024 budget. As we discussed कि कोई बड़ी announcement या कोई big ticket announcement is not expected during this Feb 2024 budget. However, we can have an idea about what government is thinking because this current government wears its heart on its sleeves. So they may give us some hint about how they are projecting it. But we will have to wait until the new government is formed to get the clear idea of how and what the government is going to do. Until then, thank you. मैं CMA Kinjal Joshi. Please do like, share and subscribe to have such value creating financial updates. Thank you.